questions and research designs. The what questions and their examples. So that's the topic for this session. We already discussed that what questions are important in order to explore a phenomenon, and without having a hypothesis, without having anything to confirm, we go for this type of research where questions are formed using this what type of the nature of questions. Okay, so within what questions we may be exploring that what phenomena are important, right? And what is the relationship between phenomena or among more than two phenomena, right? So the nature of what questions is like we would be going for relationship, and we would be exploring the functions, the nature, and the philosophy, right? Here is one example, Paleo-Tate, 1997, and the topic is when she wanted to describe, to explore about the personal experiences of ethnic and language of pre-service teachers, right? So what she was actually interested in, that she wanted to explore personal experiences, right, of teachers who were pre-service teachers, like they were preparing for their service, and then she explored their ethnicity and language. Okay, so this type of research is basically qualitative research, and we know that qualitative research is a research when we are concerned with the in-depth analysis. It is information-rich paradigm. We are concerned with maximum possible information, right? We want to uncover the nature of a phenomenon, right? So in this case, since she is concerned with experiences, personal experiences, so it is a qualitative research, okay? And then it is an exploratory research because she is not confirming anything. She is just exploring something. She wants to explore personal experiences in connection to ethnicity and language of pre-service teachers. Okay, so this is something which is exploratory. Okay, and then this is a type of research which is applied because she wants to use it for solving or to enhance the quality of performance of the teachers, right? So this is a study which is qualitative, which is exploratory, and it is applied, and it is based on what questions. There are some other examples like what relationship exists between phenomena. So in this regard, there is one example that the relationship among previous knowledge, topic interest, and L2 reading. It is a study, an original study, which was conducted by Carroll and Weiss in 1998. This study is actually based on exploring the relationship among three things, right? Previous knowledge, topic interest, and then L2, second language reading, right? So this relationship is being explored by these researchers, and the nature of the study is quantitative, and it is exploratory, right? And then it is applied. It is applied because she is concerned with the teaching of second language, right? It may be English or it may be any other language, but she is going to facilitate the profession of teaching. So she is helping out teachers, and she is solving down an issue or a problem of teaching the reading skills of a second language, right? So it is an applied sort of study. Okay, and then it is exploratory because she's not confirming anything, any hypothesis, because the topic might have not been explored previously, right? So she is just going for this exploratory sort of study, and then it is quantitative because she collected data using, a questionnaire might be, because quantitative when a large size of sample is involved, right? So it's a good example of what questions and relevant research design. And let me give you one more example related to what type of questions and the relevant research design. And this study was done by Sands in 2000. And the nature of study was that she wanted to, explore the influence of bilingualism on learning a third language, right? So bilingualism, when the people are already equipped with two languages, so bilingualism, and then its influence on acquiring a third language, right? So she just wanted to explore this relationship, and we know that the relationship is something which could be addressed using what type of question, okay? What types of questions, right? So this was a quantitative study because it was, collected, the data was collected through instruments based on quantitative type of study. And then it was exploratory because the influence of two languages or bilingualism on third language was being explored for the first time, right? So it was an exploratory research, and it was, a sort of basic research because she was not solving any problem. She was just coming up with the understanding, the basic understanding, the fundamental understanding of the phenomena or the relationship between these bilingualism and third language acquisition. So that's another very good example of what types of questions and the relevant research design for what types of questions.